The new volleyball update is here, and we can finally obtain ourselves the time skip Hinto. The return of time skip Hinto is here. It's not even really shown on the picture. I guess they didn't update the picture. Somehow they didn't update the picture. Update 30 with the brand new code. So if you open up your shop, you can see that LeBron is here. Boom, 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 boom. LeBron. This is the wrong game. This is the volleyball game. It's the volleyball game. It's not even the Basketball Legends game. Let me quickly find out what's good with the Codigos. So the first code that you actually want to redeem is going to be big huge update. Big huge update, massive, already redeemed. You might have already redeemed this code. Some ability spins. I'm currently inside of the Volleyball Legends Discord, reading out these Codigos. Do not tap the glass. Do not tap the glass. Mikaj Godet Mikaj for 3 lucky spins. Season 6 grind. As well as Mikaj W. Mikaj W. So update 30. Where is update 30? Time skip Hinto returns. Okay. I'm reading the announcements. I'm reading every chat in the Discord, the sneak peeks and everything else. So, if I do remember correctly, they always are late. They're always late with every single one of these codes. But we do have update underscore 30. Update underscore 30. Redeem this code for update underscore 30. And the next code is going to be time skip underscore HINTO. Hinto. Time skip Hinto. That is the next code that you actually want to redeem. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want Robux. Comment a heart emoji. Comment a heart emoji if you really want Robux. I'm gifting Robux on the daily, so be sure to comment down below a heart emoji.